Okay, here we have a cat that was asleep and suddenly wakes up and starts darting around the room at midnight for no reason. So originally it says the cat was at rest. So we have 0 meters per second as our initial velocity. When he's up and moving, he's going to be going 3.5 meters per second. The time is going to be 5 seconds that's going to take. And they're asking us, oh, and they give us the mass. The mass of the cat is 4 kilograms. And the question is, how much force will it take to get the kitty doing this? Well, the equation that's going to relate force, time to these different velocities is going to be the idea that the change in momentum is equal to impulse. So change in momentum is equal to P final minus P initial, which is equal to impulse, which is force times time. So we can kind of write this out. Keep in mind the initial momentum is 0 because the initial velocity was 0. So we can actually get rid of that. So I'm going to go down here through this little nebula so you can read my writing better. So we have, that means P final will equal force times time. Mass times the velocity final is equal to force times time. So the mass is 4. The velocity final is 3.5. We don't know the force, and the time was 5 seconds. So we can do some math. I'm going to do 4 times 3.5, and I'm divided by 5 then. And I get the force is 2.8 newtons, which seems low to me, but sure.